Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility. Look in Settings or the manual. Some phones accept micro SD only, others none. Once done, pick a card rated for UHSI or higher so apps and media run smoothly. Speed matters for video and app performance. Make sure you back up existing data first and charge the phone to at least 50%. This prevents interruptions during transfer. Now get your SIM/SD ejection tool and the micro SD or adapter in hand, and move to the slot. You insert the card carefully. Follow the tray diagram so metal contacts align and the card seats flat. If the phone supports hot swap, you can insert while on, but powering off is safer. Once the phone detects the card, go to Storage Settings, choose Portable Storage for media, or Format as internal to move apps. Know that formatting as internal will erase the card and tether it to that phone. When prompted, select XFAT for cards larger than 32 GB to avoid file size limits. Finish formatting and wait, and you now move content. Use the storage menu to migrate media or apps. If formatted as internal, apps can be moved and will run from the card. If portable, move only media and documents. Once transfers finish, always use the unmount or eject option before physically removing the card to prevent corruption. Do not yank it during writes. If the phone cannot read the card, reseat it and test in another device. If still unreadable, back up any accessible files and reformat, or replace the card if diagnostics show hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.